Hello everyone, MyTubePM here. Today we're going to work on slime again. This time we're going to make glow-in-the-dark slime different ways. So here's what we're going to need. We need some borax dissolved in water. We need some glue. It can be clear glue, white glue, Elmer's glue, whatever glue you have. We're going to need some highlighters, different colors, and then also some glow-in-the-dark paint, or if you have glow-in-the-dark glue. I also have here all the containers where we're going to be making the different types of slime. I have pre-measured a 1/4 cup of water into each one of these bowls. So let's get started with our glow-in-the-dark slime. Oh yeah, and in order to make it glow for the highlighter version, we're going to need a black light, which I'll bring out later. Okay, so we're going to start with the highlighters. And for these types of highlighters, what you need to do is open them up and get the ink from inside. So this might be where you need some adult help with. For this, I actually use some pliers to pull this out, and then you can easily reach the ink portion inside. So what we're going to do is take one of the bowl containers that already has a 1/4 cup of water, and we're going to dip it in there. If you have pliers, you can squeeze it so it goes a little quicker, or just wait a few minutes and let it all come down. So there's the yellow one. We're going to do all the others now. Okay, and now that all the ink is out, we're ready to get started with the next step. And the next step is to add a 1/4 cup of glue to each one of these mixtures. Again, there's only a 1/4 cup of water here, plus the ink from the highlighters. So let's get going with the glue. First the pink. I'm going to mix the glue with the paint. And I'm going to mix the yellow. And now the purple. Let's go for the blue. Now we do the orange. And finally the green. The last one is this clear water and glue, and that's where we're going to add some glow-in-the-dark paint. So I'm going to open this up, and we're just going to add a little bit of paint, maybe like 1 tablespoon. And again, we stir this all up. Gotta mix it all up until there's no paint lumps. So now we're ready to add the borax mixture. So I dissolved 1 teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of warm water, and we're just going to use this as we need it. So we're going to take the first paint, and I'm just going to scoop some water in there and see what the reaction is right away. It starts thickening right away. I think we need a little more. This might be the time that you go in with your fingers. Just get it all mixed in. Just mix it until it doesn't stick anymore. So I'm going to set this one aside. Put it all together. This is nice, soft, and squishy, and really bright. And now we move on to the green. So let's do the same thing. I'm going to do 4 spoons of water with borax, and I'm going to mix it right with my fingers. And now we're going to do the yellow. Let's do a little water with borax and start mixing it up. Do the blue now. Add our borax mixture. I'm going to stir with a spoon this time to begin with. Okay, so next we'll do the purple. Finally, we have the pink, the highlighter pink. We're going to do the same thing. The last one we have here is the glow-in-the-dark paint, and we're going to see if this works. So we're going to mix the borax with the mixture there. And it all turned white even though it was clear glue with just a little bit of paint. So we're going to turn off the light and see what happens. There's our glow-in-the-dark putty. Pretty cool. This is the one with the paint. It's stretchy and it glows right in the dark. You do have to charge it in the light a little bit. This was the side that was charging in the light. So if I turn it over, it's not as glowy. But that's pretty cool. And there you go, put it together more and you see the effect of the glow in the dark. Alright, so let's try now black light. And here's all the highlighter colors under the black light. Here's the yellow. It looks like the light is coming right off of it. Here's the orange. Here's the green. Next we have the blue. The blue kind of turns a little clear. And the purple. The purple looks pink. And it is pretty see-through too. And now this is the pink. And the pink looks pretty orange. Isn't that cool? It looks like I have the light right in my hands. And here they are, the highlighter colors. They're all pretty good except the purple and the blue. Well guys, thanks for watching MyTubePM. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you try making this glow-in-the-dark slime, let us know. Give us a comment and tell us how much fun you had. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Make it fun.